Welcome everyone, I'm Brian Kaplan, editor of the Banker magazine. Here with me today from Capgemini Financial Services is Jean Lassignardie, Chief Sales and Marketing Officer, and Rosemary Stark, Head of UK Banking. Thank you for joining us today to discuss the latest findings from the World Retail Banking Report 2014 from Capgemini and EFMA.
Key findings, Brian, are first, for the first time in 3 years, there is a decline in the Customer Experience Index. On more than 25% of the countries surveyed, 10% decline, which is very significant. That's important, that's a call for action for the bank because we make the correlation of direct impact with profitability on 3 key levers: customer loyalty, customer referrals, ability to really recommend friends, and then appetite to buy more. Second findings is that the Gen Y, which is about 1/3 of the total population, is very demanding on the experience in the new environment, and as we showed in the survey, as a lower customer experience index, which is again, a second findings and call for actions. And then we have the third findings, which is the growing impact of social media in banking and the huge expectations that are now for the different customers of the banks in that area.
Capgemini has done a lot of research with MIT on digital transformation, and at that sort of top end of digital usage, the organisations fall into 2 parts. Fashionistas, as we call them, who are very good at digital presence, but actually don't make enough money out of it because they're not well enough aligned or organised to make that happen. And Digerati, who are able to use technology as a fantastic enabler for business retention or business growth. All of our UK banks are focused on being in that category. By being able to not just change the customer experience or the customer journey at the front end with digital, but being able to transform everything that happens in the middle and back office in a bank through digital, it is possible to significantly reduce the cost-income ratios and really improve the customer experience. And I think at the heart of the matter here is that most of the banks have actually got good customer satisfaction. So one-time customer experience of that individual transaction is really good, but the overall customer sense of their banking not good at all. And at NPS, Net Promoter Score, their ability to emotionally engage and to reference their bank, really big gap between that and customer satisfaction. That's the challenge that the banks really need to plug to be able to use digital as a tool for the future. How they go about it will be largely driven by their customer demographics, the kind of customers they want to keep and attract, and that isn't the same answer for every bank. So I think we will see our banks go about things in a different way, but they have the same main objective: to retain their customers and to keep that stickiness.
People matter, results count.